is your girl Nevaeh Love. I'm back with another video, and this is day 4 of Vlogtober. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I just woke up about 30 minutes ago. It is currently 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm feeling a little bit more better than I was yesterday. I did the intermittent fasting, ate at 3 o'clock, got full as heck in. After that, I was sleepy. I didn't have any coffee. I had an energy drink and I had some water, but it didn't really give. So today I'm hoping I'm able to get that coffee in and get that water in and be a little bit more productive today. Yesterday we made cookies. It went all wrong. Totally wrong. In the end, it turned out really, really great. And Heaven ate all the cookies. Where you at, Heaven? Didn't you eat all the cookies?
Yeah.
She ate all the cookies up. I was supposed to go and do my eyelashes and do the little individuals, but again, I was sleepy, didn't have the energy to, so I'm gonna try again today. We don't really have anything planned today. I really don't know what today holds, but I guess we will see what happens. And one of my kiddos is currently in school. Probably when he get out of school, we'll go and we'll get this lovely day started. But for now, I'm gonna go do some things around the house, get some things done, so we won't have much to do when it's time to go, I guess. So I will see y'all in a little bit. My bun is so big, it's hitting the roof of the car. Do y'all see this? But yeah, right now we are headed to go to the hair store so I can get my individuals. And I'm going to attempt to try them. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on camera just in case they don't turn out right. Hi. Dang, I want a coffee. I don't know, maybe I'll just stop and get a black coffee. I really wanted a coffee with some almond milk. But instead, I'ma just go and get a black coffee. Or I could just make I'll make my own black coffee. And then later on today, if I leave out, I'll go and get my coffee with almond milk. I gotta go and return this tripod too because I bought it off of Amazon. I spent like $60-something for it. Tell me, why is it falling apart already? I'm better off going to Walmart and buying a $20 tripod or $15 tripod instead of spending $60 on something that's gonna fall apart like this. So Amazon, what are you doing? I have to give this back to you. And I need my money back. Because now, we are now pulling up to the hair store. Hair store. He know I'm coming in there too. That's why he went back in. Because he was definitely just out.
She's logging. That's my girl.
You know,
we'll get famous. We're over here at 3279 West 117. Come see me. We're always reasonable. We got everything here for you. We are the truth. Follow us on Instagram, Empire Beauty West. Get 10% off.
There you have it. I'm a TikTok head. Oh, I have all I need. Boom. Let's give it a try. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Go, girl. It's your birthday. I'm feeling myself, though. Do you like them? I like them. It took me an hour. It didn't come out so bad. So, and then, you know, I had to fix up my eyebrows and my edges and whatnot. So, we on a roll. We on a roll. I kind of want some Yukio. If you don't know what Yukio is, it's hibachi. Something like bananas. I was supposed to break my fast around 3 o'clock, and it is officially 5 o'clock. And the person I was going with, he's taking forever. So, I don't know. We'll probably go later, but I'm going to just take it to go and eat it tomorrow instead of today because I'm ready to eat and start fasting. And I know I'm about to be sleepy. As soon as I eat, I think I want a crispy chicken sandwich and a large fry. And if I'm still hungry after that, I'll get my yogurt with the fruit and everything in it. And I don't know, maybe make me a strawberry banana smoothie. Something soft. And, you know, if we end up going to Yukio, I'll eat it tomorrow. So I could just eat right on time without having to wait so long to eat. But right now I'm waiting for my mom and my son, and they're taking forever. I really did these eyelashes. They cute. Oh, they look like my boob is out. But yeah, I'm waiting for her to come out so we can go to McDonald's. My eyebrows on fleek. Everything on fleek.
Hi. Hi.
Now you want to say hi. I've been trying to get you to talk to them all day today.
I'm in a car.
You in a car? Where we going?
I want McDonald's.
Yep. You so smart. Yep.
I want toys. Papa.
You want some nuggets?
Yeah.
What else you want?
I want toy.
You want a toy?
I want that.
And what you want, Zaire?
I just want to go to Walmart to get my toy.
You ain't even been doing no schoolwork. How you gonna get all that? You better bring up them grades in school if you want a Halloween. The ball is in your court. You either gonna shoot or dribble. This bun is huge.
You know, them people to call me back because something going on with my internet. And I know I paid the bill.
I noticed.
What?
I said I noticed. Squeeze on through here.
Can't even get on Facebook or nothing.
At first, I thought it was me, or I thought something was wrong with Instagram or something, because I was trying to load some stuff and it wouldn't load. But then Heaven was watching Coco Melon and I seen that it was like buffering. So I'm like, oh, okay, that must be the internet.
I ain't on Facebook now. I'm not getting on neither one of it.
Even while you out the house?
Yeah. See, it said can't refresh. No internet.
That's weird. Are you gonna go? Or are you gonna let me go? You gonna go? You gonna go? Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Y'all, I cannot wait to freaking eat. I'm starving. Starving like Marvin. I can't believe I even went that long without eating. Well, let me stop. I fasted way longer than what? How many hours have it been? Maybe 24 hours. So we're ready. We're ready to go to work. We're ready. Why you stop singing it? Pulling up in Mickey D's. Mickey D's.
Oh my God, that line is long.
I'm getting two for, what's the name?
Two what?
Two for, what, two buy one, get one free.
They got that? I thought it was buy one, get one 25 cents.
Whatever that is.
So what you get? So Today was a really chill day. I didn't do anything I wanted to do today. But there's always tomorrow. Try to make it happen tomorrow.
Here my spinner. No, I beat it. That is so bright.
What the meal is that?
I met a girl down at the disco. She said, hey, let's go. I could be your baby. You could be my honey. Let's spend time, my money. Let's do a thumbnail. We got to pose for a thumbnail. I was just making ugly faces and stuff. Y'all didn't understand the assignment.
That boy gonna keep bugging me about them kids.
Let him keep bugging.
I want to fish fillet the Big Mac. $23.36.
What's that?
That's the code.
Man wasn't even came here.
Oh! Y'all, the car just shut off. Child.
Stuck.
I thought you supposed to take it to the what's name?
Hmm?
I thought you supposed to take it to the what's name?
Take what to the what's name?
That. To the car shop.
That's not the 6 yet.
Oh.
We need to hurry up and get this food and go home. Can we share? Please.
Okay.
We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. Sharing is. Do they even still have them crispy chicken sandwiches? Because I sure don't see it on the menu. I'm going to be started because that's all I want. A crispy chicken sandwich and a fry. And I don't even see it on the little menu. They normally have it on the little menu. I'm going to be hurt. I don't want no burger. I don't want no McChicken.
Sure hate it for you.
Child, I'm going to call my man so he can take me to Yu-Gi-Oh! Child.
I want nothing from him. Now the girl taking from.
I'm going to go get some Yu-Gi-Oh!
Take your kids with you.
No.
Cause I won't be here.
Yes, you will.
No, I won't.
Yes,
I
you
got
will.
somebody picking me up. I'm going over KD house.
Tonight.
No, I'm not. I'm going over KD house.
So you going over KD house tonight? The same guy that was snoring in your ear that you didn't want to be
I'm
around.
spend the night.
Wow. That's fine. I'll take my kids with me. I don't have a problem with that.
I ain't say I was spending the night.
Anyways. I'm going to go get me some Yu-Gi-Oh!
You think
Probably.
you slick?
Just get me a large fry then until he comes over.
I'm hungry. I couldn't eat on my hand.
You said they took the what's name? I don't say it weird.
So we about to get like, don't they got 40 nuggets for like $10?
Dude, 36. 23, 36.
I'm talking about the 40-piece nuggets. Don't they got that for like $10?
I don't know. You gotta check.
You don't got your app open.
Because I got my code number.
It'll go back to it.
Okay.
Shareables. Cause we can all, yeah, they got 40 nuggets for $10. We can get that, and I can get my fry. I can get a free fry, so you don't have to pay for my fry. So
How you gonna
we all can get some nuggets, and I'm going to Yu-Gi-Oh! Because I ain't really want no nuggets. But I'm hungry now, and he take it too long.
who?
Alex. I know you have to start fasting soon. You know I've been starving all day. So y'all, I'm back from McDonald's. It's good. I tried to wait for my little boo thing, but I was hungry. And it's 5 o'clock. I gotta start fasting at 8 o'clock. Now, if he here by 8 o'clock, then we can still go to Yu-Gi-Oh! But if not, it's over with. But, they overcooked it a little bit. But it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my meal. And see y'all in a little bit. So I am ending this vlog today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I might just continue to record anything that happened today or whatever and just upload it tomorrow. So like a little part 2 type thing. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.